The other day, a few of us in the test kitchen were chatting about what makes really great baked beans. And as you can imagine, everyone seems to have their own opinion, which kind of varied based on where they grew up. For me, since my parents grew up in Boston, as a kid, I only knew about Boston baked beans. What makes these so unique is that they use navy beans simmered in a sauce accented with salt pork and molasses. Kelly, on the other hand, grew up with baked beans that started with tomato or sometimes barbecue sauce that was sweetened with brown sugar and had bacon in it. Well, after lots of discussion, we decided that today we're going to make them Southern style. All we have to do is combine some canned kidney and cannellini beans that we've rinsed and drained, along with some chili sauce, ketchup, chopped onion, brown sugar, and a bit of mustard. After this is mixed well, we spoon it into a baking dish and let it simmer in the oven until it gets all thick and bubbly. What sets this apart from other baked beans is the combo of the brown sugar with the chili sauce. So right after the news, why don't you go online and get the recipe for our Southern baked beans so you can taste test these against the ones you grew up with. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a bubbling hot way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. It's hot, don't burn yourself.